GDPR compliance isn't just about policies and technology, it's about people. Your team plays an important role in protecting personal data and ensuring compliance. In this video, I will show you how to train your team on GDPR effectively. Let's get started. Training your team is essential because human error is the one of the biggest causes of data breaches. GDPR requires organizations to ensure that employees understand their responsibilities when handling personal data. Without proper training, your business could face massive fines and reputational damage. Did you know that British Airways was fined 20 million euros for failing to protect customer data after a cyber attack? Or that Google faced 50 million euros fine for not being transparent about how they use personal data? These fines shows why training your team on GDPR is so important. Let's make sure your business doesn't make the same mistake. Here are the key topics your GDPR training should cover. What is GDPR? Start with the basics. What GDPR is and why it matters. Key principles of GDPR. Teach your team about fairness, transparency, and data minimization. Data subject rights. Make sure they understand the rights of individuals, like the right to access or delete their data. Handling data breaches. Train them on how to recognize and report a breach. Daily best practices. Show them how to handle data securely in their day to day tasks. Now, let's talk about how to deliver effective GDPR trainings. Interactive workshops. Engage your team with hands on activities and discussions. E learning modules. Use online courses for flexible self paced learning. Role playing scenarios. Simulate real life situations to help employees practice their response. For example, ask your team what would you do if a customer requests to delete their data, quizzes, and certifications. Test their knowledge and reward them with certifications to keep them motivated. Let's look at real life examples. According to IBM, companies that conduct regular cybersecurity training see a 70% reduction in the likelihood of data breaches. For example, a study by KnowBe4 found that organizations that train employees to recognize phishing emails reduced their susceptibility to attack by 60% within the first year. And it's not just about phishing. Training your team to handle DSARs, data subject access requests, efficiently can help you to avoid fines and reputational damage. A UK based company avoided €100,000 fines by implementing GDPR training, responding to DSARs within the 1 month deadline. The bottom line trainings work. It reduces human error, which is responsible for 82% of data breach, and keep your business compliant. GDPR training isn't a one time thing. To stay compliant, you need ongoing training and awareness. Schedule regular refresher courses to keep your team updated. Use posters, email, or newsletter to share GDPR tips and reminders. Encourage open discussion about GDPR in team meetings. This keeps data protection top of mind. Your team is your first line of defense when it comes to GDPR compliance. By investing in their trainings, you are not just avoiding fines, you are building a culture of data protection.